Friend, I am Pradeep Yadav and today I will discuss how you can switch your WhatsApp group into Signal. So why we are discussing about Signal? As we know, some day ago Mr. Elon Musk just mentioned his statement, if you don't like privacy concept of WhatsApp, then you can switch over the Signal because there is no any data sharing concept or information sharing concept. So nowadays, due to that statement, nowadays people are just downloading and using Signal. Okay, so one problem occurs. Suppose if you are running a WhatsApp group, so how you can switch your WhatsApp group into Signal? So I will tell you a simple method. By using that method, you can switch your WhatsApp group into Signal. So what you have to do? So let me show you. Uh, I have a operating one or two groups. Suppose this group is spoken practice only. I have to switch at Signal. Then what I have to do? Firstly, you have to install Signal. So just open your Play Store, just mention here Signal. So this is Signal Private Messenger. Now you have to install it. I have already installed, that's why I am not installing again. So just let me open this. When you open your Signal, you will get interface as like this, and you have to press at continue, allow. Okay, so your number will be automatically taken, and just press next. So an OTP is generated and that will be detected automatically. Just wait for some times. So okay, so here you can see OTP. It is little bit slow compared to you can say WhatsApp. So here you have to enter your PIN. So here enter alphanumeric PIN. So whatever you PIN want to supply, you can give. Suppose I have given the PIN. So an account is created on Signal. Okay, so this is process to create account on Signal. So this is simple step as like WhatsApp. Here whatever you want to mention your name, profile picture, you can set. Just press next. Now this is interface of Signal. Then how you can do? So here you can see new group. Press on this. So you have to add a number. Suppose I have suppose only dummy name. Just press on here. So that will open interface. Okay, now here you can name just suppose the spoken, same name spoken practice and create. Now our group is create with same name. Okay, so here you can see all the option. Just press on this tab. Okay, so here you can see group link. So group link is off, so just make it on. So here your group link is generated. Okay, just press on share and copy this link. Okay, your group is created on Signal and you have copied your link. Now open your WhatsApp, your group, and just press here. Okay, and whoever interested to join this group, as soon as they click on this link, they will automatically join your Signal group. So you need not to send request to each and every person individually. By sending this link in this group, all people who are interested to join your Signal group, they can join easily. So this is easily process. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.